Bengaluru is approximately 350 kilometers behind us. We are cruising at 38,000 feet above mean sea level. 38,000 feet is approximately 11.6 kilometers above the sea. The temperature outside your window is a freezing minus 47 degrees. Cabin is being maintained at a comfortable 22 degrees for you all. We are doing ground speed of about 800 to 850 kilometers per hour. Trying to take as many shortcuts as possible and get you onto the ground at Bareilly ahead of our scheduled arrival, subject to traffic constraint of Bareilly, of course. Those of you who are interested in the geography of the flight and can visualize the map of India, we got airborne in Karnataka. Like I said, we passed by Dodballapur on our left and Devanalli on the right, and thereafter we transited into Andhra Pradesh and we overflew the holy town of Puttaparthi of Sai Baba about 12 minutes after our departure. Thereafter we went past Anantapur and Dharmavaram and just crossed Kurnool to enter into Telangana, which is where we are flying right now. Another 7 to 8 minutes we would be overflying the capital city of Telangana, Hyderabad, and continuing through Telangana for another few minutes before we exit Telangana and enter into Maharashtra, going past the holy town of Nanded, approximately 50 kilometers on our left side, in about 20 to 25 minutes. And thereafter we overfly Nagpur. That would be approximately 37 minutes from now, and continuing through Maharashtra. Thereafter we exit Maharashtra to enter into Madhya Pradesh. We would be going past Jabalpur on our right side in about 55 minutes from now, and overflying Khajuraho in about an hour and 10 minutes. Subsequently we enter into Uttar Pradesh and going past Kanpur on our right side, about 30 to 40 kilometers in about an hour and 20 minutes, and Jalalabad thereafter about an hour and a half, going past Moradabad and turning around to go in for our landing at Bareilly, in all probabilities in a westerly direction. That's the broad plan. I hope the temperature is comfortable and to your liking at the back. Team led by Franzini are taking good care of you. As and when we get closer to Bareilly, I shall get back to you with a weather update for Bareilly. Till then, sit back, relax, eat something, catch a shut-eye maybe, click some good pictures, make some good memories. If the seatbelt signs come on, please do not get up unnecessarily from your seats, in your own safety, and enjoy the IndiGo experience.